Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove items from your favorites on the GoodNotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the favorites icon down below, which is the last option. As you can see, there is only one document in your list of favorites. So if you would like to get rid of this document, all you have to do is clicking on this star icon on the document, thereby removing this item from your list. So now your favorites is empty, so you are ready to add any documents that you like. It's really simple. You just have to tap on this star icon on the document, thereby placing it to your favorites. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.